Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I am doing a slime review for SLIME MEOWY. I believe that is how you pronounce the username, but I am so excited to get into this package and show you everything that's in there. I will have links down below to their shop and their Instagram account. This was sent to me for free in exchange for my honest review, so thank you very much. I am so excited to show you everything in this package. I love the slimes a lot. So first I'm just showing off the little slime care card and the borax she sent with some extras and Daiso clay. Thank you very much for that Daiso clay. I love using it and it can be a little bit tricky to find where I live in Canada. So I am very happy. I'm very excited to put that in some slime. So first off, I'm just going to open up these 4 slimes. So Carmen sent me 4 different slimes. So the first one is a Dr. Pepper, and that is 6 ounce and it's scented. Then I have a 6 ounce birthday cake, and that is scented as well. Then I have 4OZ Jello Kitty and 4OZ Lime Marshmallow Cream, and both of those are scented as well. I am very excited. Oh my gosh guys, I don't know how many times I say excited, but these slimes are awesome, so I can't wait to show them off. So the first slime I have is Dr. Pepper in the 6 ounce size. It is scented and it is a sizzly butter slime according to Carmen. I really like this slime. The texture is, I think it's a Daiso clay type texture. It reminds me of Eeyore from Bookshelf Slimes. It has a really nice and holdable texture once I activated it a bit, which is totally normal to have to activate slimes after receiving them due to shipping. You know, after it sits, they get sticky and warmth or anything like that. So that's totally normal. But I just activated a little and the texture is really nice. I have to say I really enjoy playing with it. It is a very sizzly butter slime, and I can't wait to let this sit, and then all the sizzles that come after you let it sit are amazing. The scent of this slime is really nice. It's a great Dr. Pepper scent. It's something I have never really smelt before, and I think it's really cool, and I love this very unique scent. The color is really pretty as well. It is a light pink. It reminds me of like a light Dr. Pepper type color, and it really matches the name of this slime. I also love the name PEPPURR because they're all like cats and stuff, and so the purr, so it's P-U-R-R at the end, so I thought that was really cute. Overall, I really like this slime. I think it is one of my favorites from this package, either this slime or the lime marshmallow cream slime. I really like those 2 slimes. They're probably my favorites out of them all, but this slime has a really nice texture, so I highly recommend this slime if you want a holdable slime, or if you're a beginner with slime, this is definitely a good one for you. The next slime I have is Jello Kitty. Haha, get it? Hello Kitty, Jello Kitty. It is passion fruit scented, and it is a Hello Kitty inspired jelly slime. I am very impressed with the texture of this slime. I really like it. It is very interesting because I don't really have a lot of jelly slimes and I don't usually make it, so I find it very interesting. It reminds me of the gem texture that I wrote for a recipe in my book. It reminds me of that. I really like it. It is really satisfying to play with, but it is definitely a little bit on the stickier side even when you activate it, so I recommend this for people who are good with slime and have played with it for a while and know what they're doing. The scent is, I didn't know it was passion fruit until I read the card, but I definitely, now that I know it's passion fruit, it smells like passion fruit, but when I was just sniffing it, it just kind of smelled kind of almost florally, I don't know, kind of similar to a perfume. So if you like that type of scent, then this slime would be great for you. All of Carmen's slimes are not heavily scented, so if that's something you worry about, then they're very lightly scented. It's the perfect amount for me, because sometimes when they're a bit overpowering it bothers me, but this was the perfect amount of scent. The color is very pretty. As you can see, it is a nice pink. It has bubbles in it now, but I can't wait for it to clear up because then it's going to be a little bit darker and I think it'll look really pretty. There are really adorable little Hello Kitty canes in there as well that I adore. They are so cute. And the glitters that are, I believe, iridescent are really, really pretty and really add to the whole jelly slime because it really makes it pretty and cute and match the theme of Hello Kitty. So overall, I really love the color and the overall look of this slime, but jelly slime is not my favorite slime. I much prefer holdable slimes, but I do appreciate how gorgeous this is and how cute. So I really like all of the slimes in the package and I don't have many complaints, but I think that this is not my favorite out of them all, but I definitely can really appreciate the cuteness. I have lime marshmallow cream. I think I said marshmallow cream in the beginning, but I'm rereading it now and it's actually marshmallow. How adorable is that? I love it. It is scented cupcake and lime, I believe, and it is thick and creamy, a clay slash slay slime according to Carmen. So I really like the texture of this slime. It's so smooth and it's not really holdable, but it is really nice in the hands. It kind of reminds me of the texture from butterbeer from Muggle slimes. The textures are kind of similar to which I like. I like this texture a lot. I'm playing with it as I record this voiceover. The scent is really nice and it's really refreshing because I mostly smell the lime, not as much the cupcake, but I really like it. It has a nice citrusy smell, so I enjoy that. And the color is really pretty as well. It's a nice light green. I don't really have any complaints about this slime. Overall, it's really nice. The texture is smooth and nice. It spreads nicely. It's just a really nice slay slime. And the scent is really nice. I enjoy it. It smells good. I don't have any problems with it. It's not overly scented. The color is really pretty. So overall, I really enjoy playing with this slime. Last but definitely not least, I have a fluffy cloud slime called Birthday Cake. So the beginning is PURR, you know, cat. It's so cute. I love it. The names are all very adorable and I love the overall. All of her slimes are so cute and pretty, and look at those Mickey Mouse, I believe, shaped little sprinkles. They're so cute. I adore these slimes. So the texture of this slime is obviously a cloud slime. It is a dense cloud slime and it is a little bit wet, kind of. It leaves quite a bit of residue on your hands, but that is to be expected with cloud slime, so if that's not something you like, I don't recommend this slime. But the texture, I personally like this cloud slime. It makes nice drizzles. It took a little bit of effort to get out the container, but I did it. And everybody knows I always struggle with getting slimes out of the containers. The color is really nice. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a nice pastel yellow. You can't really go wrong with that. The scent, I don't know, it's supposed to be a vanilla scent, I believe. Yes, it's supposed to be I think like a birthday cake type scent, and it's a little bit artificial for me. I don't love this scent. I don't have any problems with it. Like, it's not like overly jarring or anything like that, but I just don't personally love this particular scent. And overall, I really love the texture and the color, and the slime is so cute with the little sprinkles in it. Those are all of the slimes I received from Carmen, so thank you very much, Carmen. If you want to learn how to make your own slime, I have a book called Ultimate Slime. The link will be down below. If you like the video, please leave a comment down below and a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye!